Every press strike is a story. Every coin is more than just metal. They are symbols of an era, imprints of power, and hidden treasures. Coins with the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II were minted in billions, but only a few of them became truly priceless. Today, you will see the top 10 most expensive coins of Elizabeth II sold in 2025. We start our list with one amazing coin, the Bermuda dime, minted in 1978. On the front side is a young portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, and on the back is the symbol of the Bermuda lily. This copper-nickel coin received the highest grade of SP67 from PCGS, an indicator of impeccable preservation and minting quality. In 2025, it was sold for $750, a worthy start to our top 10 most expensive Elizabeth II coins. It only gets more interesting. The next coin is ready to show its price. Moving on to the 1959 Canadian dollar, a true work of art. This coin has been graded mint state 65+ by PCGS, and it's no wonder. Its surfaces shimmer with soft pastel shades of sapphire, magenta, and soft pink. The colors seem to come alive in different lighting, and the luster is soft and silky, with no scratches or signs of wear. In 2025, this unique piece fetched $1,200, and that's just the beginning of our list. Get ready, it's going to get even better. The third coin is a 1957 Australian penny in stunning PR66 red condition. This is a true masterpiece, a mirror finish reverse with vivid detail contrasting with the rich satin fields. The surface of the coin shines a rich copper red color, smoothly fading to a soft apricot shade, especially noticeable on the reverse side. Only 7 coins of this quality are registered in the PCGS report, a real rarity for collectors in Australia. And in 2025, this masterpiece was auctioned for $1,800. The next coin will surprise you. The fourth coin is a unique error from Canada in 1967, a double strike on a coin featuring a swan. Graded mint state 60 by PCGS, it is stunning in its luster and reflective surfaces, with light champagne, rust, and cobalt flecks that make it truly special. Another similar example recently sold for a similar amount, highlighting its value among collectors. In 2025, this rare specimen sold at auction for $4,200, one of the most impressive mistakes in our top. Get ready, it's going to get even more expensive. The fifth coin is a 1960 Canadian silver dollar in mint state 66 condition, a real visual explosion. Struck by the Royal Canadian Mint, this example stands out from other coins of the period, both in its condition and beauty. Its surface is covered in rich shades of cobalt, azure, and autumn bronze. This is not just a dollar, it is an aesthetic rarity weighing 0.6 ounces of pure silver. In 2025, this sparkling masterpiece was auctioned for $5,400. And ahead are the coins that sell for breathtaking amounts. Coin number 6 is a true royal relic, the 1980 British £5, made of gold. Graded PR69 Ultra Cameo by NGC, it is virtually flawless. On the obverse is a second portrait of Queen Elizabeth II wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. On the reverse is the iconic scene of St. George slaying the dragon. The detail is so fine that the coin seems to come alive in the light. The weight of pure gold is more than 9 grams. And the visual effect is rich contrast and deep relief, from which it is impossible to take your eyes off. In 2025, this almost perfect specimen was sold for $6,100. And this is only 6th place. The most expensive is yet to come. 7th place is a legend of modern Canadian numismatics, 1969 10 cents, with a large date and a large ship in a U58 condition according to PCGS. Where did this rarity come from? Collectors are still arguing. Some believe that the samples could have been minted in Philadelphia for display at the Canadian Mint. Others think the coins were created by accident, from reworked 1968 dies that were supposedly abandoned. Whatever the case, the result is the same. This variety has become a great modern rarity of Canada. In 2025, this example sold for $12,800. If you have a 1969 Canadian dime, be sure to check the date under magnification. You could be sitting on a treasure. 8th place goes to a rare minting error, a 1960 for Threepence coin that was not struck on a standard blank. Instead of the usual nickel alloy, the coin was accidentally struck on a copper-nickel planchet weighing for 0.58 grams, making it not only visually distinctive, but also especially valuable. Graded MS60 for by NGC, it has a beautiful luster, a silky surface, and a full cartwheel effect, all of which make it a real gem among minting errors. This piece is part of the famous Angeline collection and is considered one of the most important mistakes of the Elizabethan era. In 2025, this unique artifact was sold for $16,000. And if you think that's the maximum, wait, there are coins with even more insane amounts ahead. 9th place is a truly royal find, the 1953 gold Coronation medal honoring the accession to the throne of the young Queen Elizabeth II. An unofficial issue, especially rare in gold. This example received an impressive MS6-7 grade from NGC, almost perfect. The metal's surfaces shine, reflecting the light, and the light matte coating creates a sense of volume. The portrait of the young queen seems to come to life in deep relief and detail. In 2025, this historical symbol was sold for $36,600. And ahead is the final, most expensive coin. Are you ready? And finally, number 1 is the pinnacle of not only this list, but of an entire coin era. This is the 2023 gold 1-ounce Britannia Royal Succession, the last coin minted in the name of Queen Elizabeth II. Graded in perfect mint state 70 on the Sheldon scale, this coin is the final chapter in the history of the British coin dynasty that began in 1987. It is considered the most desirable of the entire Royal Succession series, a symbol of farewell to an era of greatness. In 2025, it was sold for an incredible $60,000. The Queen is gone, but her coins continue to live and grow in value. And that was our number 1, the ultimate coin of Queen Elizabeth II's legacy. From rare mint errors to gold and coronation treasures, and the final coin ever struck in her name, these coins are not just collectibles, they are true pieces of royal history. If you own any Elizabeth II coins, check them carefully. One of them might be worth a fortune. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next discovery that could change your life. See you in the next video, and may your next coin be the rare one.